out your car. And no, it didn't mend my broken heart. I probably always have these ugly scars. But right now I don't care about that part. I bust the windows out your car. After I saw you laying next to her. I didn't wanna, but I took my turn. I'm glad I did it 'cause you had to learn, learn. I must have made it up a little bit to think of how you feel when you saw it. I didn't know that I had that much strength, but I'm glad you see what happens when you see you can't just play with people's feelings. Tell them you love them and don't mean